everybody. Today we're going to learn about chemical reactions. We are going to do an experiment to demonstrate how a chemical reaction occurs. When you mix two things together, it can make something totally different or even something you don't expect. So for our experiment, we're going to use 2 glass jars, measuring devices, a candle, something to light our candle with, and 3 chemicals. Chemical A, chemical B, and chemical C. So let's get started. So first, we're going to use jar 1. We're going to mix chemical A with chemical B. So let's start by measuring chemical A and putting it into the jar. We are going to use about 2 tablespoons of chemical A. We're mixing in chemical A. Okay, so we have chemical A in the jar. Next, we're going to put in the candle. Then we're going to light the candle. Okay, so we're going to mix in chemical B with chemical A. So without touching the candle or the flame, I'm going to add in chemical B. What do you think is going to happen when I pour in chemical B? Let's give it a try. Nothing's happened. Let's wait a moment. Are we sure nothing's happening? Doesn't appear so. There's no bubbling. The temperature is the same, and the flame is still lit. So let's move on to jar 2. I'm going to add chemical A to the second jar. Still pouring in chemical A. Okay. So now we have chemical A. We're going to move the candle. I'm going to lift it up, wipe the bottom, and place the same candle into jar B. Now we're going to mix chemical A with chemical C. What do you think is going to happen? Let's give it a try. I'm going to pour in chemical C, the liquid, to mix with the solid without touching the candle. What happened? How do you explain what happened? You're right. There was a chemical reaction that took place. We actually took chemical A, which is baking soda, and mixed it with chemical C, which is vinegar. When you mix those two together, it creates carbon dioxide, just like when you blow out a candle, like carbon dioxide. So what do you think? I hope you enjoyed the experiment.